نحمده ونصلي على رسوله بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى إن هدى الله هو الهدى وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله الكريم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم ارحمني بالقرآن العظيم واجعله لي إماما ونورا وهدى ورحمة واجعله لي حجة يا رب العالمين ربي يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير آمين ثم آمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Okay, now let's see what I got. Okay, over here we just looked at kharaja, right? And I decipher it by going into a lot of details. And I'm showing the same chart again so that you see it one more time in its entirety so that you understand what's going on here. Okay. Kharaja, kharaja, kharaju, kharajat, kharajata, kharajna, kharajta, kharajtuma, kharajtum, kharajti, kharajtuma, kharajtunna, kharajtu, kharajna. Yeah. So let's look at this chart one more time. What do we have? We have 14 pronouns in Arabic. So when a verb is given to me, I know by default there will be 14 variations of that verb. Some of those verbs, some of those pronouns, especially the huwa and hiya, are going to be hidden inside that verb. The rest will be present in the form of a suffix. Okay, why suffix? Because suffix is something you attach and towards the end. But since we said the huwa, huma, hum are the detached pronouns, they cannot be attached in their entire shape. Something has to be taken from them so that they can be attached to the end of the past tense. Now, giving you a head of time notice, in the past tense, we have a suffix, we add something towards the end. When we will go to the present and future tense, we will have a prefix and we will have something in the beginning of the verb to make it a present or a future tense. Since it's coming in the near future, I don't want to confuse you, but just wanted to tell you. So, kharaja, kharaja, kharaju, kharaj, kharajat, kharajata, kharajna, kharajta, kharajtuma, kharajtum, kharajti, kharajtuma, kharajtunna, kharajtu, kharajna. So as a student of Arabic language, when it comes to verbs, this is what you are expected to understand. And in a normal Arabic class, when you go to a madrasa, you will be writing every word by your own hand in a book, and sometimes you would have to tell to the teacher from your memory. So we have a fail. Then we know that fail has the fa kalima, the ain kalima, and the lam kalima. Where is it coming from? The fa, ain, and lam. Agree? Now, if I give you zahaba, the meaning is he went. So what is the fa kalima? Zal. What is the ain kalima? Ha. What is the lam kalima? Ba. If I give you jalasa, meaning he sat, what is the fa kalima? Jim. What is the ain kalima? Lam. And what is the lam kalima? Si. Yes. Now, can we now make the 14 variation of zahaba? Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Can we make 14 variation of jalasa? Yes, we can. And those 14 variations are 14 verbal sentences. The next one is nasara. He helped. Noon is the fa kalima. Saad is the ain kalima. And the ra is the lam kalima. Yes. So if I give you the pattern, this fa'ala, and then I say make zahaba out of fa'ala, you know exactly how to make it. Yes. Similarly, sami'a. Now you would say that, okay, this is sami'a and not sama'a. We will talk about it, hold that thought. But if I give you this, still the seen is the fa kalima, Meme is the Ain Kalima, and Ain is my Lam Kalima. Okay, this is important to understand that when a pattern is given and then the new root letters are given, our job is to plug that new root letters into that pattern. That is what all verbs are about. So they have a pattern, and they have a pattern for Madi, they have a pattern for Mudare, and they have the root letters, and then they tell you in the bracket what that pattern looks like. And inshallah, we are going to do all of that together. Okay, so just giving you ahead of time notice so that you know what that means. Karuma, he honored or he's generous. Then the kaf or the kaf here is the fa kalima, the ra is the meme, the ain kalima, the ra is the ain kalima, and the meme is the lam kalima. Remember the first thing I saw, kharaja, right? So kharaja, kharaja, kharaju, kharajat, kharajata, kharajna, kharajta, kharajtuma, kharajtum, kharajti, kharajtuma, kharajtunna, kharajtu, kharajna. What was the next one? Zahaba. Zahaba, zahaba, zahabu, zahabat, zahabta, zahabna, zahabta, zahabtuma, zahabtum, zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna, zahabtu, zahabna. Do you see anything different in the pattern? The pattern is same. Only the root letters change. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Now let's look at this. Samia, Samia, Sami'u, Sami'at, Sami'ta. Did I say it? Sami'ta, yes. Sami'na, Sami'ta, and Sami'tuma, Sami'tum, Sami'ti, Sami'tuma, Sami'tunna, Sami'tu, Sami'na. The next one was Karuma. Karuma, Karuma, Karumu,
Karumu.
Karumat, Karumata, Karumna, Karumta, Karumtuma, Karumtum, Karumti, Karumtuma, Karumtunna, Karumtu, Karumna. So once I learned one pattern and I understood my pronouns and I understood how I add those pronouns as suffix, does it matter what root letters I give you? As long as you know the pattern, are you not able to make those variations? How many verbal sentences you see here? For kharaja, we have 14. For
14,
zahaba, we have 14. For samia, we have 14. We have 14 for karuma. Inshallah, next time when you're reading Quran, these will come in front of you. Kharaja, zahaba, these are from the Quran, by the way. Inshallah, you will see the different variations of those words in the Quran. And now, if you remember what I told you, you will be able to say, oh, this is for the male third person, this is for two male, or this is for a female, this is for two female, this is for, and what is the person? Is it third person? Is it second person? Or is it first person? Okay, so I'm going to take you through some tools. And I'm sure you can see my iPad now. Can you guys see my iPad?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this application is called Quran Irab. Yeah. And I'm right now looking at Suratul Kahf. Yeah. So on the top, it says harf. And if I turn it on, you see all of a sudden you started to see red.
Yep.
Some of the letters. So then this application is helping me identify between the harf, the fail, and the ism. So the moment I turn it on, all these red letters you see now in the in Suratul Kahf, they are basically the haruf. They are from the third category. If I turn on the fail on, then the green ones are the fail. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if I turn the ismun, then the blue ones are the nouns. Yeah?
Yeah. Interesting.
Do you guys actually Surat Al-Kahf was right here. It went back. But do you see this? Do you guys feel that this application can help you a lot?
Definitely, I need to identify which one is which is a fail and which one is huruf.
Alhamdulillah. Now look at this word. Kaburat. Yes. Now, is it green? It is a fail. Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
remember Zahabat, Jalasat, Kharajat, Kaburat. What is this? She, feminine. Kaburat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, Darabna. You see this word Darabna? Darabna. Yes? Is the na, is the we, nahnu? We?
Yes.
Yes.
14 Seegha.
Okay, yes, Jazakallah khair. So I'm going to come to that Seegha too. But right now, just wanted to tell you a few things about this. So this application, if you can use it, it will really help you with the identification of the huruf. The red ones are huruf. The fail is the green one. And the blue one is the ism. Okay. And when you click on something, when you click on a word, it basically gives you something like the details about that. Okay, now I want to show you something quickly. We read this surah, most of you, we read this on Friday. So look at this. What is this word? Tala'at. You see that? And the before is the shams. Shams is feminine in Arabic. So what kind of fail is going to come for feminine? Tala'at.
Feminine.
Yes, when the sun rises, tala'at, tulu, and when the sun goes down, iza gharabat. You see that gharabat here, this word. So this is the Seegha number 4. Okay, what is the meaning of Seegha? Let's take a look at that so that we know what we're talking about. Let's take a look at this chart. Okay, numbers. Huwa is going to be 1. Huma is 2. Hum is 3. Okay. So in Arabic, in English it's a table, correct?
Yeah.
And that cell is this one square is, let's say, where you see the huwa, that's cell number 1. Agree? Huma is cell number 2. Yes. But the word for the cell in Arabic, it says Seegha. What is it?
Seegha.
So huwa is Seegha 1. Hiya is Seegha number 4. Anta is Seegha number 7. Anti, Seegha number 10. Now, you may heard me using these verbiage or terminology. If I say, please tell me what is Seegha number 1, you say huwa. If I say what is Seegha number 3, you know it's hum. Agree? It will come with practice, but inshallah you will get hold of it. Okay. Now, let me show you some examples from the Quran before moving on. So, Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. What is this fa'ala here? What is the meaning of fa'ala? He did.
He did.
Yes. So, is this fa'ala Seegha number 1?
Yes.
Yes. Very good job. Okay. Razaqnahum. So, look at
Yeah.
this. If I hide the home, is razaqna.
Razaqna, yeah.
Is it 14 or 3?
14.
Okay, good. Okay, over here, sakhita.
Home is 3.
Sakhita. Seegha number
1.
1, mashallah. Fa'alta. Have you seen fa'alta?
Yeah.
Zahabta, right? And the ta is you did.
Yeah.
Over here, it says, qalu anta fa'alta haza bi alihatina ya Ibrahim. They said, did you do this to our gods, O Ibrahim? Fa'alta. You see that? Isn't fa'alta you did?
Yes.
7.
Yes.
Fa'alta is male. You
Yes. Yes.
7.
did. Okay, if I say fa'altu, it's 7, you're right. Seegha number 7. Is it 7? 7?
Yes.
It's 7, you're right. Fa'altu, I did.
7.
Yes.
No.
Jazakallah.
Fa'altu is 13.
But it means I did. Fa'altu. Brother Ghani, are you with me so far? Are you following me?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, good. Now look at this. Fama.
Brother,
Yes.
sorry.
Question.
Brother Abid, so over here, anta fa'alta, I think that's for emphasis here, but otherwise anta was not required, isn't it?
Exactly, you're right. And inshallah, let's talk about that for a second. Okay, that's a good question. Maybe it's a good point for me to show you something here. Okay, but before I do that, can we look at some more? Fasajadu. What is this fasajadu? What Seegha is this?
Third.
You
Three.
see the here? This is the
Yeah.
third, right?
Third.
This is like zahabu. Yes. Okay. Kafaru.
3.
Third.
Seegha number 3. Good.
Third.
Good. Barazu. Is that Seegha number 3?
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Third.
Yes. Balagha. What is this?
One.
One.
First.
One.
Seegha number 1.
Balagha is he reached. Actually, balagha is he reached. So this is Madi and this is Seegha number 1. And what is the file in there? Huwa. And Huwa is he. Is the
He.
file hidden here?
Yes.
Good job. Mashallah. Afa hasiba. Is this Seegha number 1?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Job, mashallah. Kafaru. This one.
Seegha number 3.
3.
3.
Jitumuna. Jitumu.
14.
Seegha number 14. Mashallah.
14.
Very good job. Okay. So did you find this now that how in Quran they're present like everywhere? So inshallah now next time when you read Quran, I'm sure your mind will be looking for these. Yeah?
Yes.
Inshallah. Okay. Zalamuna. What is this? 14?
14.
14. Yeah.
Nasaruhu.
3.
3. Very good job. MashaAllah.